If that's made you feel like joining in, just go to the Children in Need website and click on Get Walking, the address bbcchildreninneed.co.uk. It's been miserable today, hasn't it? It's been thoroughly miserable. Is it like set to last?
Well, pretty unsettled conditions for the start of the week, but as we head through the week, it's going to get drier and milder. But we do have some really wet and windy weather this evening. There is a warning in place for rain and wind. Let's take a look at your weather pictures. Colin Lee sent us this shot of the rain, no surprise, in Southampton.
Yeah, it was perfect weather for ducks today. Look at these. This picture was taken by Gillian Richards in Swanage. Thanks, Gillian.
And Norman Atkinson photographed the grey skies in Littlehampton. So today we had quite blustery conditions. We'll see those winds really increase in strength through this evening. There is a Met Office warning. I'll talk about that in just a second. Standing water in this field at Three-Legged Cross in Dorset, photographed by one of our weather watchers. Through the day tomorrow, it's going to be very windy. We'll see some blustery showers, even the chance of the odd rumble of thunder, but some bright and sunny spells in between those frequent showers. So this is the weather warning that we'll have in force through this evening. Up until midnight tonight, gusts inland maybe up to 50 miles per hour, coastal gust 50 to 60. Exposed areas such as the Needles, we could see a gust around 70 miles per hour and some really heavy rain. That rain starts to move through during the first part of the night. From the west, here's the band of rain starting to track its way in. Some torrential downpours could lead to localised flooding. It will clear away, but the winds still remain strong. The winds at their strongest will be through this evening up until midnight. So even by dawn, we're still looking at gusts of around 55 miles per hour for coastal stretches. Some showers dotted about and lows of 10 to 13, maybe 14 degrees. Brisk winds tomorrow, gusts maybe between 40 and 50 miles per hour, 40 mile per hour gusts for inland areas, 50 mile per hour for the coastal stretches, and some frequent showers, and they could be heavy and thundery. Very like the rain tonight, that could also be quite thundery in nature. And temperatures tomorrow will peak at around 14 to 15 Celsius. That's a few degrees above the seasonal average. So a mild feeling day despite that brisk southwesterly wind. Through the course of tomorrow for the coastal forecast, the winds are southwest. 6 to gale 8, decreasing 5 or 6 later, and the sea state is rough or very rough. Worth bearing in mind that with those strong southwesterly winds, we could see some large waves around coastal stretches with the high tides, and there could be some coastal flooding. Further showers through the early hours of Wednesday morning. They'll continue into by dawn on Wednesday. Some cloud around as well, and lows of 8 or 9 degrees. As we look ahead to Wednesday itself, maybe a few showers to start the day, but things will brighten up through the course of the afternoon. A mainly dry day is expected on Thursday with some sunny spells, and mainly dry also Friday and Saturday, Ed.
Thanks, Alexis. It's incredibly mild for the time of year for November, isn't it?
We may see temperatures drop away as we head towards the end of November.
OK, Alexis, thank you. That is it from us this evening. Next on BBC One, it's The One Show from us. Thank you for watching tonight. Enjoy the rest of your evening here on BBC One. Good night.
Good night.